Today we're doing something super useful, a tiny set of Hindi verbs that show up everywhere, like everywhere. If you learn these well, you can survive a lot of real conversations. Our stars today are hona, jana, karna, dena, lena, and ana. In natural speech, these are absolute VIP verbs. You'll hear them at home, on the street, in shops, with friends, in texts all the time. And good news, we are not going to memorize giant tables like sad robots. Nope, we're going to learn the most useful chunks, the kind you can actually say today. First one, hona, to be. This is the verb behind things like I am, it is, who is it, where is it. At A1, the most useful forms are hoon, hai, and hen. But for now, let's keep it simple and practical. Main theek hoon means I am okay. Man theek hoon, very useful. Tum ready ho means you are ready. Ready is just the English word ready, because in real English, people say that all the time. And ye kya hai means what is this? Ye kya hai. Tiny memory trick. Hoon sounds like hoon, and you can think I am hoon. Not perfect science, but hey, it works. How do you say I am fine in Hindi? Main theek hoon. Main theek hoon. Main theek hoon. Nice. Now one quick side note. In Hindi, adjectives like theek often stay the same, so you don't need to panic and change everything. That's nice. Hindi gives you a break sometimes. Rare, but it happens. Next big verb, jana, to go. You will hear jana constantly. I'm going. You're going. Where are you going? Let's go. Go home. Go now. Full on useful. The chunk ja raha hoon means am going, for a male speaker. Ja rahi hoon means am going, for a female speaker. For tum, you often hear ja rahe ho for a male listener and ja rahi ho for a female listener. Don't overthink this today. Just notice the pattern. Raha often goes with a male subject. Rahi with a female subject. It's one of the most common patterns in spoken Hindi. How do you say I am coming in Hindi? Main aa raha hoon. Main aa raha hoon. Main aa raha hoon. If a female is speaking, she says main aa rahi hoon. Wait, that was the verb ana, to come. See? These verbs travel in packs. Jana is to go, ana is to come. Best friends, opposite directions. How do you say, where are you going, in Hindi? Tum kahan ja rahe ho? Tum kahan ja rahe ho? Tum kahan ja rahe ho? If you're talking to a female, it can be tum kahan ja rahi ho? Tum kahan ja rahi ho? And kahan means where. Super useful word. Add it everywhere. Tum kahan ho? Where are you? Tum kahan ja rahe ho? Where are you going? Nice and practical. Now let's look at karna, to do. This one is everywhere because Hindi uses karna with lots of nouns and English words too. Work karna, call karna, try karna, message karna. Very normal, very spoken, very handy. The easiest command form is karo. Do it. Karo means do. So aram karo means rest. Wait karo means wait. Try karo means try. Cute little survival phrase machine. Ye karo. Ye karo. Ye karo. Super common, very direct, very useful. And if you want what are you doing? That's tum kya kar rahe ho? Tum kya kar rahe ho? You will hear this all the time. Maybe from your mom, maybe from your friend, maybe from that one person who always wants updates. How do you say, what are you doing in Hindi? Tum kya kar rahe ho? Tum kya kar rahe ho? For a female listener, kar rahi ho. Next pair, dena, to give, and lena, to take. These are gold. Absolute gold. In daily life, these verbs save you. Dena gives us do in a simple command. Do means give. Mujhe pani do means give me water. Mujhe pani do. Lena gives us lo, take. Ye lo means here, take this. Ye lo all the time when someone hands you something. How do you say take this in Hindi? Ye lo. Ye lo. Ye lo. How do you say give me water in Hindi? Mujhe pani do. Mujhe pani do. Mujhe pani do. Notice something nice. Mujhe means to me or me. So mujhe pani do is literally give water to me. Mujhe is one of those little words that unlocks a lot. Mujhe pata hai, I know. Mujhe nahi pata, I don't know. Mujhe chahiye, I want or I need. We're not focusing on chahiye today, but just notice how useful mujhe is. Now let's tie these verbs together with tiny real-life lines. Main theek hu, I'm okay. Main ja raha hu, I'm going. Main aa raha hu, I'm coming. Tum kya kar rahe ho? What are you doing? Ye lo, here, take this. Mujhe pani do, give me water. That's already a mini survival pack. Let's build a memory trick for all 6 verbs. Hona is being. Think status. How are things? Hu, hai, jana is go. Think leaving. Ana is come. Think arriving. Karna is do. Think action. Dena is give. Think moving something away from you. Lena is take. Think bringing something towards you. So go and come, give and take. 2 opposite pairs. Nice. Easy to remember. Let's do a few more natural moments. How do you say I am going in Hindi? Main ja raha hu. Main ja raha hu. Main ja raha hu. If the speaker is female, main ja rahi hu. Main ja rahi hu. Idhar aao. Idhar aao. Idhar aao. Very useful. Idhar means here. How do you say go now in Hindi? Abhi jao. Abhi jao. Abhi jao. Abhi means now. Nice. You can already hear the patterns. Ao, come. Jao, go. Karo, do. Lo, take. Do, give. These short command forms are incredibly common in real speech. Friends use them, family uses them, shopkeepers use them. They're not fancy, they're alive. A quick note on pronunciation. Ana has that long ah sound, ana. Jana too, jana. Don't crush it into a short sound, stretch it a bit. And gahan, gahan, has a little nasal feel at the end. You don't need perfection right now, just aim for something close and clear. Now let's watch out for common mistakes. Mistake 1, mixing up jana and ana. If you say main ja raha hu, you are going. If you say main aa raha hu, you are coming. Go away from here. Jana. Come toward here. Ana. Mistake 2, forgetting the little helper words like hu or ho. If you say main theek, people may still guess your meaning, but main theek hu sounds complete and natural. Mistake 3, using very formal speech too early. For this lesson, tum is great, very common, friendly, everyday. So focus on tum kaha ja rahe ho, not the extra formal versions. Mistake 4, trying to translate every English sentence word by word. Don't do that. Learn chunks. For example, ye lo is not literally a fancy textbook sentence. It's just the real thing people say. Here, take this. Now let's do a tiny story. First, just listen. मैं घर पर हूँ. मेरा दोस्त आता है. वो कहता है, चलो, बाहर चलते हैं. मैं कहता हूँ, 1 मिनट, मैं पानी लेता हूँ. फिर वो मुझे बैग देता है. हम दोनों बाहर जाते हैं. Now again, one line at a time. मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. मेरा दोस्त आता है. My friend comes. वो कहता है, चलो, बाहर चलते हैं. He says, come on, let's go outside. मैं कहता हूँ, 1 मिनट, मैं पानी लेता हूँ. I say 1 minute, I take water. फिर वो मुझे बैग देता है. Then he gives me the bag. Hum dono bahar jate hai. We both go outside. Nice. In that tiny story you heard Hona, Anna, Jana, Lena, and Dana. That's exactly the point. These verbs keep showing up in simple real-life situations. One small side note from the story. Chalo means come on, let's go. Okay then, depending on tone. Super common. If someone says chalo, they may mean let's move, let's start, or all right then. Very flexible little word. Hindi loves these multi-use words. Let's bring it home with a quick speaking flow. I'll say the English, you think the Hindi. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. How do you say, where are you going, in Hindi? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? How do you say, I am coming, in Hindi? मैं आ रहा हूँ. मैं आ रहा हूँ. मैं आ रहा हूँ. How do you say, do this, in Hindi? ये करो. ये करो. ये करो. How do you say take this in Hindi? ये लो. ये लो. ये लो. How do you say give me water in Hindi? मुझे पानी दो. मुझे पानी दो. मुझे पानी दो. If that felt fast, no stress. The goal is not perfect grammar performance on day one. The goal is to start hearing and using these super common Hindi building blocks. So here's the main idea to remember. Don't try to learn all of Hindi today. Just get comfortable with a few high-frequency verbs that do a ton of work. Hona for being, jana for going, ana for coming, garna for doing, dena for giving, lena for taking. These are your everyday power verbs. And the easiest way to remember them, learn them in pairs and chunks. Go and come. Give and take. I am fine. I am going. I am coming. Do this. Take this. Give me water. That is real Hindi you can actually use. You're doing great. Sach mein. Really. Even if you only remember 3 lines today, that's still progress. Say them out loud later. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं आ रहा हूँ. मुझे पानी दो. Little by little, your Hindi will start feeling less like a puzzle and more like a real conversation. Keep going.